The flavor of the mountains is not found in recipes, but in what the land gives us. Freshly picked mountain pepper, tiny yet powerful. Its fragrance carries the wind of the hills, its taste tingling, bright, alive. For centuries, people of these mountains have treasured this spice, not just for the way it awakens the tongue, but for the way it preserves the memory of the earth itself. A single pinch transforms a humble dish, turning broth into mountain air and every bite into a journey back to the wild. The flavor of the mountains is simple, but it lingers, a reminder that nature always seasons life in the most gentle of ways.